We are watching the speed trials of the powerful new six-cylinder Vanguard. That's right, the new Vanguard is a six-cylinder car. And she's driven by top racing driver Ron Flockhart.
The new Vanguard 6 has a top speed of 90 miles an hour. It's the car with a proven design and superlative performance. It's the only 2-liter 6 with twin carburettors for better balanced power and greater petrol economy. The new Vanguard 6 is a complete car. You have demister, cooler, heater, windscreen washers, and a completely redesigned dashboard that's padded for safety. And the Vanguard is upholstered in a new type of fabric that's both beautiful and durable. Up front, a stabilizing torsion bar gives the new Vanguard 6 amazing control on the road. The new Vanguard 6, proven in design and more powerful than ever.